In this video, we're going to look at how to use the Cite while you write tool. There are two main types of referencing styles, which are important to understand in order to use the Cite while you write tool effectively. The first are parenthetical styles, which include styles like APA, Harvard, or MLA. These are styles where the in-text citation takes the form of a set of brackets or parentheses containing the author's surname and the date. The second type is a footnoted style. These include styles such as Chicago, AGLC, and Oxford. In a footnoted style, the citation is marked by a small supertext number, and the citation information appears at the bottom of the page in a footnote. EndNote can create references for both these styles, but the process is slightly different. Make sure you use a style guide when creating references using Word to make sure your references are coming through correctly. We're going to start by looking at a parenthetical reference style. There are two ways to add a citation to a document. Go to the EndNote tab here in Word. You can see here that we can select our style from this drop-down. To insert a citation, just click the Insert Citation button and it will open up a pop-up. Here we can search our entire EndNote library, either by author or by keyword, to find the reference we want. Then we just select and click Insert. We have an in-text citation, and we have our first addition to our reference list. If we've cited multiple authors in this sentence, we can add another by leaving our cursor next to the reference and going through the process again. Now we can see EndNote has combined those two references and added the second to our reference list. The other method is to go via EndNote, which some people prefer. To add a reference from EndNote, we select the reference we want, we go to Tools, Cite while you write, Insert Citation. There are a few other things we can do with Cite while you write. Firstly, if we have a quote, we'd need to add a page number. To do that, just right-click on the reference, go to More, and then just type the page number in there. We can also change the citation to appear as author prominent. Again, just right-click and select how we want our reference to appear. It's better to do this using EndNote rather than just typing the author's name, because this way the reference still remains in our bibliography. Now, we want to get rid of all these references so that we can change to looking at footnoted styles, and it's tempting just to delete them all. However, we shouldn't delete EndNote citations just using the delete key. We need to make sure we use the edit and manage citation functions, otherwise we risk corrupting the document. So we just open that up and we can remove the citations that way. Footnoted citations are basically the same, except there is one extra step. Before we go to the EndNote menu, we just need to click References, Insert Footnote. And you can see here now we have our footnote number, and down here we have a footnote where we can add our citation. Now we just go to EndNote, same as before, and add our citation. And you can see it appears in the footnote rather than in the body of the text. Everything else is pretty much the same.